Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add predecessor here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here with Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding predecessors in Smartsheet is an effective way to establish task dependencies and create a project timeline, because predecessors allows you to define the order in which tasks need to be completed, ensuring that certain tasks do not start until others have finished. This helps in managing project schedules more effectively and can be visualized using Gantt charts. All right, now I want you to go to the file that you are working with so we can add the predecessor. Right now, I have 6 tabs. They are tasks assigned to and start date, end date, health, and status. For you to be able to add a predecessor, all you have to do is right click and go to edit project settings. And I need you to click on the dependency settings. You see there's going to be an option that says dependencies enabled. You might want to click on the check mark. Now, duration and predecessors columns have been added to the sheet, but as you can see, now click on OK and click that. Make sure that the predecessor column is and the duration column is included. Just click on OK. So you see we have the predecessors in column. Now what I wanted to do is to start date on this task, and that's going to be for the row on subtask. Maybe let's go for the this one for the row 4 tasks, how to add predecessor. I wanted to start the date around maybe September maybe 4th, and it'll end around maybe I don't know, right, September 10th. All right, and the next task is I want to set a predecessor, which is, for example, on row 4 task is that, and I wanted to like maybe put in from finish to starts. It will, after row 4, it'll go to the, now that means row 4 has to be done first before executing this type. Okay, of course you can put in as much as a type here for as long as you want. Make sure the rows are correct. After doing that, all you have to do is click on OK, and as you can see, the predecessors has been added to your Smartsheet. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.